Greetings, this is Chris from Tantalizing Tech. CES 2023 recently completed, and HP has unveiled some really exciting and new tech. This particular episode will only focus on the HP 14-inch AMD laptop. Please stick around until the end to see if this laptop is tantalizing. But first, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment saying, "I subscribed," and I will do my best to personally reply to as many comments as I can. As I mentioned, we will now discuss the HP 14-inch AMD laptop. The HP 14-inch laptop comes in diamond white, as seen. In addition, the HP 14-inch laptop comes in warm gold, as shown. Furthermore, the HP 14-inch laptop comes in jet black. Finally, the HP 14-inch laptop also comes in natural silver. The HP 14-inch laptop comes in diamond white as shown, and this is the front of the laptop. The HP 14-inch laptop also comes in diamond white, and here we're showing the left side of the laptop. The HP 14-inch laptop again comes in diamond white, and here we're showing the left and the right-hand sides of the laptop, with the left side of the laptop being at the top and the right-hand side of the laptop being at the bottom. The HP 14 once again comes in diamond white, and we're looking at the right-hand side of the laptop now. The HP 14 also comes in warm gold, and you might say, "Hey Chris, where's the gold color?" You have to look towards the screen, and you'll see the gold color, and the gold color is also on the back of the laptop lid. The HP 14, as mentioned before, also comes in warm gold, and we're looking at the right-hand side of the laptop. Again, the HP 14-inch comes in warm gold, and we're looking at the left-hand side of the laptop. Furthermore, the HP 14-inch comes in warm gold, and we're looking at the left and the right-hand sides of the laptop. At the top there, we have the left-hand side, and at the bottom, we have the right-hand side. The HP 14-inch also comes in jet black, as shown here, and we're looking at the front of the laptop. The HP 14-inch laptop also comes in jet black, and we're looking at the right-hand side of the laptop here. Furthermore, the HP 14-inch laptop comes in jet black, and we're looking at the left-hand side of the laptop. In addition, the HP 14 comes in jet black, and we're looking at the left and the right-hand sides of the laptop, with the top being the left-hand side and the bottom being the right-hand side of the laptop. The HP 14-inch also comes in natural silver, and we're looking at the front of the laptop here. The HP 14-inch also comes in natural silver, as mentioned before, and we're also looking at the right hand of the laptop here. Again, the HP 14-inch comes in natural silver, and we're looking at the left-hand side of the laptop. In addition, we're also looking at the left-hand side and the right-hand side of the natural silver laptop, with the top picture being the left-hand side of the laptop and the bottom picture being the right-hand side of the laptop. The HP 14-inch, as shown here, and we're going from left to right and looking at the left-hand side of the laptop, has a USB Type A 5 gigabits per second port, a HDMI version 1.4B port, a USB Type-C with 5 gigabits of speed, and a combination headphone microphone jack. In addition, this HP 14-inch laptop on the right-hand side, and we're going from left to right, includes a USB Type-A 5 gigabits per second port and also an AC smart pin adapter with either a 45 watt or 65 watt power adapter. As mentioned before, the HP laptop comes in AMD and Intel versions. In this particular video, though, we're concentrating on the AMD version. And with this laptop, you get the HP TrueVision 720p HD camera or the 1080p Full HD camera with temporal noise reduction and dual array digital microphones. HP also includes dual speakers with this laptop. Furthermore, HP includes the Realtek Wi-Fi 6 1x1 array or the Realtek Wi-Fi 2x2 array. In addition, HP also includes the Bluetooth options of 5.3 or Bluetooth 5.3 with gigabit data. This laptop weighs in at 3.09 pounds or 1.40 kilograms. In addition, we're looking at the right-hand side of the laptop here, and this particular laptop has a USB Type-A 5 gigabits per second port and an AC smart pin adapter with 45 watts or 65 watt smart power adapter that also supports fast charge. HP has a variety of processor options for the laptop. This first option includes the Ryzen 7 7730U with the speed up to 4.5 gigahertz. HP also includes a Ryzen 5 7530U processor with up to 4.5 gigahertz. Furthermore, HP includes a Ryzen 5 7520U processor up to 4.3 gigahertz. In addition, HP includes the Ryzen 3 7320U processor up to 4.1 gigahertz. Also, HP includes the AMD F-Line Gold processor, 7220U processor with up to 3.7 gigahertz speed. HP also includes the AMD F-Line Silver processor, the 7120U processor with up to 3.5 gigahertz in speed. The memory options for the AMD include the 8 gigabyte DDR4 3200 megahertz RAM with a 2x4 gigabits. In addition, HP also includes the 12 gigabit DDR4 3200 megahertz RAM with a 1x4 gigabyte stick, in addition a 1x8 gigabyte stick. HP also includes a 16 gigabyte option with DDR4 3200 megahertz RAM with 2 sticks at 8 gigabytes. Furthermore, HP also includes a 4 gigabyte option with LPDDR5 5500 megahertz RAM that is included on board. Also, HP includes the 8 gigabyte LPDDR5 5500 megahertz of RAM on board. Also, HP has a 16 gigabyte option of LPDDR5 5500 megahertz RAM, which is included on board. AMD has a variety of SSD options. This first one includes 128 gigabits of PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD. The next includes a 256 gigabyte PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD option. The third option includes a 512 gigabyte of PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD. And the fourth option includes 1 terabyte of PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD configuration. In terms of display options, HP includes a variety of options. This first option is a 16 by 9 version for the 14-inch laptop with full HD, 1920 by 1080 with IPS, micro edge, anti-glare, 400 nits, and 100% sRGB. HP also has an option 16 by 9 version for the 14-inch laptop with full HD, 1920 by 1080 with IPS, micro edge, anti-glare, 250 nits, and 45% NTSC. A third option includes the HP 16 by 9 version for the 14-inch laptop with full HD, 1920 by 1080, micro edge, anti-glare, 250 nits, and 45% NTSC. In addition, HP includes a 16 by 9 version for the 14-inch laptop with HD, 1366 by 768 micro edge, bright view, 250 nits, and 45% NTSC. A fifth option includes the HP 16 by 9 version for the 14-inch laptop with HD, 1366 by 768 touch, micro edge, anti-glare, 250 nits, and 45% NTSC. A sixth option includes the 16 by 9 version for the 14-inch laptop with an HD, 1366 by 768 micro edge, anti-glare, 250 nits, and 45% NTSC flicker free with an 84.01 screen to body ratio. In terms of graphic card options, HP includes the AMD Radeon or the AMD Radeon FreeSync graphics cards. In terms of the ports, at the top here we have the left-hand side of the laptop, and the bottom picture is the right-hand side of the laptop. If we're going from left to right for the top picture, which is the left-hand side, we have a USB Type A 5 gigabits per second port, a HDMI version 1.4B port, a USB Type C port with 5 gigabytes of speed, and a combination headphone microphone jack. The right-hand side of the laptop, which is the bottom picture, has a USB Type A 5 gigabits per second port and an AC smart pin adapter with either a 45 watt or 65 watt smart power adapter that supports fast charge. And now of us have been waiting for. Is this laptop tantalizing? And before I tell you whether this laptop is tantalizing, I want to invite you to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and leave a comment in the section saying I subscribe. And I will do my best to personally reply to each of the comments that you have there. And now, without further ado, I want to know if this laptop is tantalizing. Sorry, not able to make this laptop tantalizing. This laptop is monotonous. The reason being why this laptop is monotonous, detailed in the table that I will show. In terms of things that make this laptop tantalizing are the processors. It comes with a Ryzen 7 7730U processor, a Ryzen 5 7530U processor option, a Ryzen 5 7520U option, and a Ryzen 3 7320U option. There's also a webcam, which includes a 1080p full HD camera with temporal noise reduction and dual array digital microphone options. I have also listed columns for, various factors that might make the laptop monotonous or unalluring. Please feel free to pause and review those different options. Other tantalizing features of the laptop are the Realtek Wi-Fi 6 1x1 and the Realtek Wi-Fi 2x2. Furthermore, we also have the Bluetooth options, which are the Realtek Bluetooth 5.3 or the Realtek Bluetooth 5.3 gigabit data rate. Other tantalizing features are the headphone microphone combination port. And I know you're saying, hey, Chris, what's so tantalizing about that? Well, a lot of manufacturers aren't including this on a laptop anymore. So basically, you would have to carry around adapters to connect a headphone or a microphone. In addition, this laptop supports fast charging with 50% charging in 30 minutes. In addition, you could also get the 45 watt or the 65 watt smart AC power adapter. More tantalizing features are it comes in diamond white, it comes in warm gold, it comes in jet black and natural silver. So you have a variety of color options. In addition, it has a fingerprint reader. Thank you again for watching Tantalizing Tech. I have been your host, Chris. Once again, I wanted to remind you to subscribe if you feel that this video is tantalizing. Leave a comment saying, I subscribed, and I will do my best to personally reply to as many comments as I can. Wow. Now that was tantalizing. Thank you.